Hello everyone, welcome to our Cozy Mountain Life. We live in the Elk Valley in BC, Canada, and as is tradition, February always looks like it's going to be springtime, but it's not. But we'll take what we can get. This is our faux spring, so we're going to enjoy it until the next big snowfall. So why not? Let's just make our kitchen look springy. Let's go. So a little spoiler alert, yellow is our color. We have chosen yellow. I'm kind of sad to see the Valentines go, but yeah, that was a lot of stuff on the counters, and after a while I just got a little anxious looking at it. It was beautiful, gorgeous, but let's mix it up. Let's make it lighter, airier, brighter. That is actually a family heirloom. It's from Holland. I think it was my great-great-grandpa's, Grandpa Airy. Could be wrong, but yeah, we'll go with that. And I just had to show you this really cool sifter. I forgot to do that at the beginning. You can use anything for plants. You don't have to use a pot. You can mix it up a little bit. Go crazy. I ate a lot of candy out of that bowl. I wasn't going to because technically I'm keto, but yeah, candy in a bowl. And these guys I actually stole from the table Valentine's Day display. You'll see them again later on. I just love this little bird. I don't know if it's a chicken, but it's on a nest and we'll go with that. It's my mom's soy candle she made over Christmas time. Beautiful. Mom's very talented, by the way. She won't say it, but she is, so suck it up, Mom. I just love these earrings. The ones with the gramma clips are pretty awesome. You don't see those very much anymore, but if you don't have pierced ears, they're pretty cool. You don't have to get a hole in your head, or an extra hole in the head. And look at that back. I don't know why I love that back so much. It's just so old, very different. Okay, I gotta say, I'm not particularly happy with how this is going. I thought it'd be cool to put springtime jewelry on there. Unfortunately, my springtime jewelry collection is still in a moving box. We moved in 2022, so it's been there that long. I don't know where it is for sure. I'm a little lazy. I didn't want to dig through it. So you know what? I thought I'll try to make this work without the springtime jewelry that I love so much. But no, I'm not feeling it at all. Poor little man. He just is always in there. He loves to be at the center of activity. He's always curious about everything. He's almost 2, so yeah, he's still full of energy. Spring fever. And he's not fixed, so spring fever. Inappropriate gnome. Gnomes should only be for Christmas. Don't you guys think so? I do. But I have a gnome for Valentine's. Don't worry, that booze is coming back. How about you guys? You getting ready for spring? Doing your spring cleaning, your spring sorting, organizing? Always feels good when the seasons change and something new is coming. It's kind of fun to look forward to. That was my my grandma's. It's a pretty cool vase. You guys didn't see that. And these the pears are Dollarama as well as the flowers. You don't need to spend a lot on stuff to make it look cool, especially if you know you're not like staring at it right in the face. That's a pretty cheery old tin, don't you think? I think nothing screams springtime more than flowers. So you're gonna see lots of flowers today in this cute little mug. Sorry, teacup. I'm thinking about my coffee right now. I need more coffee. Something's just not quite right. You know, it's that crazy perfectionist mind. Look how fresh that looks. And those are fake flowers from Dollarama. Gorgeous. She's definitely got more energy than I have right now, but that's what coffee's for. So old books are really great to create height in your displays. You don't need to buy anything. If you have any old books lying around, just use those. And how gorgeous is that 30s hat? That's just crazy. This is, okay, I bought this for my mom for Mother's Day back when I was, I don't know, 10 years old. And she kept it all this time, and now I have it and I just love it. I got it at a garage sale. I remember picking it out. My dad took us around to look for Mother's Day gifts, and that's what I found. How cheerful is that? That's just awesome. That makes me smile. Oh dear. Perfect. No, we're not. Sorry, guys. And more books for height. Something was bugging me about that little section, and I realized I need to make things a little higher. That's better. Look how cheerful that is. Does that not just scream springtime for you guys? This is for Midwest Magic Cleaning and crew. Love you guys. So I didn't really have anything springtime for the kitchen sink, but I think that soap dispenser looks pretty cute. I wish it went that fast in real life. Mm-hmm. I know these flowers are terrible, but I had fun doing it, and that's all that matters, right? Don't have to be perfect, although, yeah, have my moments. Oh, my favorite part of the program. Truth be told, I bought these because they had beautiful springtime labels, and I thought, why not? I'll give it a try. It's BC made, so let's support Canada. I have a really easy tutorial for this wine wall, the chalkboard wine wall, so I will put a link in the video for you guys. The actual Valentine's Day table display was a lot more ornate, but over the weeks we've taken some away just to make it easier to use the actual table. And these are the little bunnies that I stole from my other display. They were just too cute not to reuse for springtime. My one-time cleaning gig. And if you see my other videos, you know I'm not a big ironer. I'm not ironing things very often unless I absolutely have to. And who has to iron? Like, honestly, no. And linen's supposed to be wrinkly, so yeah, that's right. It's natural. Wrinkles are natural, guys. My wrinkles are natural. Dollarama flowers. Found that awesome vase at a thrift store for like 25 cents. And a beautiful old cookbook. Sometimes those guys have the best recipes. And you can also use tins as display height. You don't have to use books. And those of you who have seen my previous videos, you know my chicken obsession. You know this would show up again. My grandma's old butter dish. How beautiful is that color? And good old Canadian Rogers golden syrup. And a bottle of wine to complete the little picnic. And I thought it would be really cool to have this little nest as a little secret behind our display. It's a little secret between you and me and the chicken. She's so patient waiting for her walk. Good girl. And I had to wait for it to get darker so that you could see what I was doing with the window. You just use, it's called a chalk marker. Yeah, it comes off with water. You can change it up for the seasons. It's a lot of fun, especially for kids, but I'm a big kid, so lots of fun for me. And I'd like to think of my art style as primitive child. Bet you I could charge a lot of money for this in New York. And of course, all flowers should have happy faces. I should put a grumpy one in there just because. Those flowers did way better than my flowers last year outside. Squirrel got them all. I hope you guys enjoyed this. You don't have to go crazy doing a spring refresh. Just grab whatever you've got lying around. You've got family stuff, you've got Dollarama stuff. You know, just add some pops of color. It doesn't take much to bring spring into your house, and we definitely need it at this time of year. And thank you guys so much for being here. I hope to see you in our next video. And remember, keep it cozy.